Hi, I'm Sanjay again. Remember last time we ordered tune up our engine 2001 Toyota Corolla LE. So that day, I didn't order the harness. So just we replaced the plug only. So I'm gonna today show you how to remove the harness. I'm gonna show you. I just wait because of I order NGK brand. So whatever you can do with your parts, I don't mind anything you like. You can pick it up. So I pick it up NGK. So this is the 4-cylinder one. So I order the right part with the VIN number. So I'm gonna do today. It's come like this. Okay. So we're gonna do. Sometimes it's come out with the whole set, but this is like come always like single. I don't know why. So I'm gonna teach you how to do this with the one by one. So if come like this, you can always do the line up. So the long one all the way over here. I'm going to teach you how to, if you receive like this, I'm going to teach you how to collect your things. Okay, like this small one, you see this small one right there, this one is over here, very short one. Okay, the second one shorter, that is this one right here. Okay, this one. The third one little bit short, this one. The third one, this is the bigger one, fourth one right there. Okay, we're going to do one by one. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. It's easy peasy. So you have to do only thing, you have to keep this one because they have a small clip. So you're going to clip right here. Can you show to them, Baba? Over here, right here, clip, take out, easy. It take out. Okay, I can see over here. Yeah, can you go over here? It's very old, I think more than 10-20 years they didn't tune up. Can you go all the way? Like this. See, easy to take out and take out. I'm just telling, do the one by one as a beginner. Take this small one, the very short one like I show you. So this is, you can throw it, and short one right here, you can go all the way. Because of, if you open all the way, maybe your first time do it, it's gonna mess up. Do one by one. Okay, second one, they have already number. Okay, you can do with the number, it show up over here, 1 2 3 4 like that. So they have also number over here, so you can do it yourself. So I remember because of like this, you know, this one is right here, 1 2. You do one by one. Okay, then you do not messed up anything. Like this, and third one over here, one is over here. Okay, I'm going to take right now second one, take out. Second one is this one right there, put in back. Okay, and do over here like this. See? this one. Oh yes, yeah. So I'm going to show you right there. This one I'm going to take out right there. I'm going to show you easily. So you see right there, they will have a number. Okay, this is a small one, is number 4. This is the number 4. Number 4 goes, you have to check this number over here and they put the 4th right there. Okay, third one, this is number third one goes over here. Okay, it goes 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is 4, 3 is right here. This is right here, number 1. Okay, so this is the, we're going to change this one over here. Third one, this is second. Okay, second right here. As a beginner you can do it like me, so I'm gonna teach you correct way because you don't want mess around with your engine. So if you this is the long one, goes like this. Okay, and this is one right here, it's number 1. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how to check it out. So everything like this, clip it, it's easy, nothing. So I'm gonna show you. Can you see right there is number 1. Okay, number 1 2 3 4. If you go over there, 4 3 2 1, that's the correct way you have to replace the battery, this harness, like a tune-up harness. So I can use this one right here. This is too old, so if you have a good one, you can replace it back like this, like that, and that one we don't need it anything. So you can clip back like this. So that's all. Then we're gonna start right now. Then you can see we did a good job or not. So our key. You can sort of the engine. See, it's starting very good. So that's the way you already change the wire like this. So because of first time we already did the tune-up, so this is that time I didn't receive this wire. So everything, make sure is clipped well, so then you don't have to worry about anything. So that's all. So you wanna see one more time, I'm going to show you. So and thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my video. So see you with another video soon. So thank you so much. Have a good luck.